Today I rescued this rat snake, juvenile. You can see that um, just ate some three frogs, but after I rescued this out of irritation, maybe just vomited these three frogs. One of the frogs it's alive. It's an Indian rat snake, non-venomous species. This is juvenile, and they usually eat frogs, lizards, house lizards, and small rats also. Usually, it grows up to even 10 feet, 10-15 feet. But this one is about 4 to 5 feet in length. I'll just release it in the evening after my class to some like out of this locality area. Thank you for watching.